Now the fact that I'm alone is fucking comforting, and I can't seem to shake this fucking feeling in my...
Hello guys, today we're gonna learn how to use Shotcut. Shotcut, it's an application where you can edit your videos for free, and I will leave the download in the description. So the first thing you have to do is click open file, choose the file you want to use. You go to click timeline. After that, you just go over here and add video track. After that, you just drag the video down over here, and yeah, so you just get this arrow thing and drag it all the way where you want to delete your thing. So let's say I want to delete the logo over here. I just drag it there, then I click this button. Then after that, I just go to the last part I want to edit and then click it again. After that, it's gonna create different clips. You can do whatever you want with this clip. You can put it at the beginning to show your at the beginning of your video to show something, or you can just delete it if you don't want it. To delete it, you just right click it and click remove. After that, yeah, it deletes. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out.